Good morning. Happy Sunday. I just got up, and that's because I have to do laundry. I started doing laundry yesterday. I did, I don't know how many loads. I feel like that's the most I ever did in my laundry because it was so much. I kept going back to the laundry, back to the laundry. Maybe I know my laundromat is in my building, so I don't have to go all the way outside. But I surely wish it was right there by my kitchen. So yeah, I started laundry yesterday. I didn't get to do like all of the sheets and the towels and things of that sort. So I got up this morning to bring it downstairs, which right now it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. And somebody's stuff is down there in the washing machine. So I'm gonna give it like 30 minutes and then I'll go back down. I feel very, very, I guess you want to say uneasy. You know, I have days where I get into this place of like really deep thought. And I kind of overthink anything rather than thinking about where I'm at right now, what I'm doing, what I have to do right now, in this moment, in this second, in this hour, in this day. My mind is so fixated on the future, like God willing, because nobody's promised to make it to tomorrow, but I'd be so fixated on the future and what's to come, what's the plan, what's happening, what am I doing, what are we doing, so on and so on. Like, I guess the feeling like I don't feel a sense of security. Like, I know I'm okay, but I feel worrisome. I feel worried, I feel concerned. Yeah, like, I go through these spaces and times in my life where I start thinking about, you know, my age and me getting older, my children, you know, and yeah. So also, I had a meeting not too long ago for my son. As y'all know, my son is autistic. I recently had a meeting with OPWDD, which is an organization for people with disabilities, right? It's like a lifetime of support. So it was something, I'm not sure if everybody is able to always get in or, you know, how it works, but I'm just so blessed and so thankful. And those are the things that I try to think about. Like, no matter how concerned and worried I be about certain things, God always shows up every time. Because as a parent, you're always concerned about your children. You just want to know that they're gonna be okay, especially when I'm not here anymore. So yeah, so that meeting went very, very well and went on to the next steps. If you are in New York and you're watching and you have a child with disability and they're with OPWDD, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, so he's on to the next steps with that, and I'm just grateful and thankful. Well, I'm about to go watch church now. Pastor Stephen Furtick is who I watch every Sunday. Elevation Church. Big up yourselves. I love. If I lived in North Carolina, that's the church I would go to. I love it. So yeah, service is about to start. So, oh shoot, and I gotta go back downstairs. Well, I'll be watching on my phone because I usually watch it on my television. Me and Greg. But all right, y'all. See y'all soon. Finally done with laundry. I'm going to get the last, which is the sheets, the towels, and stuff like that. Some blankets. I'm representing. I got on my father's t-shirt, local 3. Tap in. Girl gonna ask me why every time I see you got on a local 3 union shirt. Why you hating? Why is he hating? Talking about which union I work for. Local 3. Oh gosh. Now to get these clothes out the dryer. It is so freaking beautiful outside. I gotta get outside. I got to get outside. My mom is here also. We're gonna go to Target and we're gonna go to Trader Joe's because we wanna make some aki bowls. At least that's what I call it, but it's the acai. That's it. We are finito. So, have y'all ever had them acai bowls? If so, comment down below. They are so good. They are so good. So, my mother, it'll be her first time having it. And yeah. So, I'll show y'all all the ingredients and I will tell y'all where to go, what it costs. And yeah. All right, so I'm about to go back upstairs and then get myself together so we can hit the road. Greg is cooking dinner. I'm gonna show y'all when I get upstairs. I started eating already. Almost forgot. To show y'all the stew peas. So this is stew peas with oxtail and dumpling and beans. If you're from the islands, then you know. If you're not, yeah, it's Jamaican stew peas with white rice. It's bussin'. It's bussin'.
But I think Nolan was their only child.
Mm-hmm. It's good, Mom? She got seconds? Oh! I'm like, how she still got food on her plate? Royalty? It's good, boo-boo?
What do you think, guys? See him play Chinese at work?
Yeah.
Chinese go for that second round. Put the board in that again.
I always say this is not my favorite meal. And anytime he make it, I'll be busting it down like it is.
Only because it got oxtail in it.
Yeah. Yeah, I could care less when it's, was it chicken foot? I could care less. It just give it a different flavor.
I like the salt beef in it too.
Oh yeah, when you use the beef, yeah, that's good too.
I didn't know this was an oxtail.
You never ate the oxtail, right?
I never had it with oxtail before you.
I had it with pigtail. I had it with...
Yeah, I had it with that.
With the salt beef.
And Clement used to make it. But... And I never tasted stew peas
I never had it with the chicken.
at a Jamaican restaurant. Like outside of my house. I never tasted it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I had to eat stew peas all the time.
Yeah, I never... Gimara said she always buy it.
Yeah, because she wanted the pigtail.
Ew.
She love the pigtail, that's why.
So I don't know how it tastes, and from a Jamaican restaurant, but I have one taste in my mouth, and that's when Greg makes it.
That girl working, boy. She busy.
See?
Mm-hmm.
We enjoy it.
She ate some of the stew peas?
She ate it. Mm-hmm. She don't like too much of the gravy, she said.
Mm-hmm.
So I put just enough, and she ate it.
She decided to.
Don't threaten my baby with a good meal.
She tore the meat off that bone, right?
Mm-hmm.
She sure did.
I'm still baby.
Before she wouldn't eat it. She'd be like, no, Daddy, I thought you was going to make the oxtail different. And she wouldn't eat it. And then she started to taste it. And then she would eat it.
Where Dante went?
We got enough time. I'm full of energy, man.
Well, that'll be good for when you start work.
You start work next
He
week.
said the 26th he start. Some construction thing he's supposed to be doing. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, I got a package.
Dante special like that, you know. He just more, where that's it.
He's more advanced in the
Outside.
streets.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's way more advanced in the streets. But he definitely, the ADHD on his paperwork is accurate. And I asked him yesterday, I said, you have a hard time being still? He said, yeah.
Yeah, man, he can't see what
He can't.
If you see one place, you know, I'm tired, I didn't marry my rest up.
Mm-hmm.
As if I
Yesterday?
him sleep the whole
No.
day. Fully tired.
Yo. He was pissing me off.
Where? Which part you know? The pier?
I told my mother he went to Pier 57. Then he came back. He made oodles and noodles, 2 sandwiches. Then he said he going to McDonald's. Tell him to get something for Zion. He come back with Zion meal. Said he got to go back to McDonald's to get his meal. Then came back, took a shower. Then told Greg, I'll be right back. I'm going to...
Back there.
Greg said, where you going? And I keep getting mad because I'm like, the key is right here. Nobody's getting up to open up the door. I'm not getting up. And right now, where he went? He said he going uptown.
He said, mash up.
He said he'd be back.
He said, if I will come back, I'll be a bungie. Sherry said, I laugh. If I snow, they're going to play a cinema.
I was so pissed. I felt like I was drowning. It's like, this is not real.
Everybody tired, man.
This is not real. I said, Greg, I'm not going on no vacation with you and Dante in the room at the same time. Sharice wouldn't be able to take it.
Dante don't slow down.
Yeah. What?
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yo. Greg said, what? And Shade, boo. I said, this can't be real. This cannot be real.
I mean, if we came up.
I'm like, no.
If we came up and said, Dante. I said, tap is snoring.
We're in Target.
Oh, this is cute for
I'm done. Little dope stuff. This way, Ma. I meant to go this way. Sorry. Oh, look at these. $10 off favorite one. This is pretty. I always like this print. The strawberries and stuff on it. Royalty like stuff like that too. I'll be like, these are too short. Her little booty. They cute. Her little booty will be out. I think, what is it? My favorite one is, oh, the bralette is $10. This one is, I know, this one is, what are they? It don't say, it must be free. I want to know. I'm going to ask ChatGPT because I want to know when the sheets go on sale. Oh, this is nice. What's the sale price? It can't be 79. Let me see.
It says 69.
That can't be the sale price, my if it's on sale. Let me see. Right here. Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry, baby. Let me see. Yeah, it don't even say sale. So what's the sale price?
They didn't give you a sale?
No. Ask him right here, ma. Excuse me. Do you know what the sale price for this would be? Because it's coming up like regular when we scan it. And it's not even coming up sale. 35? And these? So what's the sale? Because that's regular price. That's the price of them.
Maybe they just put it here?
Target be gaslight, pump faking. That can't be.
Customer service.
Yeah, it was. Your mama did tell her.
You never tell the customer. You don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably.
Find out.
Probably. Exactly.
That just bothers me.
Oh, ma, remember I was telling you? Wait, hold on. Let me see. Because I gotta say, no, it's just a new.
And I wear them like, I put them on my bed like every
I
day.
love these ones Rosie got. I knew they would get more. I was fiending.
Which ones is on sale?
Zion got these.
Not the $9.
No, none of them is on sale. They just.
Twin.
But none of them is on sale. They just say new lower price. But when they go on sale, these most likely will be $10. These will be like $6. And the queen will be like $11. But you gotta wait. These are cute too. This is pretty. I ain't get it because it remind me of leopard. But it is pretty for the fall, right? Zion got that.
What can we say?
Shame on her. Shame on her.
Let me see. Nope, go right to Staples. Oh, that's cute.
That's a lot.
That's cute.
$61.
Oh my god. Where?
$40 or $30?
How much?
30.
So what's this one?
That one is 40. I don't know what that one is.
Sit down in it, Mom.
Yeah, I wish I would have, then I break
Let
it.
me see.
Whoa, go slow. No,
It feels good.
that one looks like it's even better.
This one look like it's for girls though. This one is 42. You see? Yeah, this one is more for girls. Look, Mom. Look.
Yeah, but it got more of a back.
But it's fur. You don't buy a boy a fur chair. Zion's small in body. You think he would like it? Are we back in the house? And don't mind this. This is clothes. I did laundry. So I got a chance. I know I couldn't go to the Chris Brown and Usher concert, but I watched it last night. Somebody on TikTok showed it on a live. I had to gasp for air so many times.
Disgusting.
Let me tell you something. Okay? And it wasn't so much Usher. Usher did get, you know, a little freaky, like his song said. But Chris Brown?
Yeah, you see the video of the husband throwing all his wife's stuff out in the yard? Did you see that video?
Well,
because the girl went up there on the stage with Chris
the
Brown.
first thing Usher said, hold on. The first thing Usher said, he said, your ass better not be married. That's what he told one of the girls. And she came up there. And she looked cute, too. She looked nice. But... And she...
It's not even funny.
Woo!
That video.
Let me tell you something. Greg would have been divorcing me when I got home.
The husband saw the video of his wife on the pole with handcuffs.
Yeah. Greg said she was married. Greg said that girl is married, Sade.
I wonder if Greg threw all her stuff out in the yard.
She said this is a one in a lifetime.
Well, yeah. Well, now
and I said, Greg, if she is married, she probably sick of her husband. Because she probably said, I don't give a damn. Listen here, okay?
You would have been up there?
Chris Brown?
You'd have been
No,
up there?
I respect my husband. I'm not going to go up there.
Exactly.
I'm not, if I didn't respect him, I would go up there. But I respect him.
What if it was behind the stage?
I don't know. Look at my would you have gone up there?
No.
If I was single, Usher's grown. He older than me.
They little boys. They not older than me.
Look,
they're little boys. Playing with little girls.
No, those are grown women, Ma.
Yeah, so.
That was not no little girls.
Yeah,
those
so.
look like grown women with pitney. With kids. Listen. That part of the show, nobody, let me tell you something. You want to see somebody be XXX on stage? Go watch Dexter Daps. There's nobody more explicit on stage. What they did was minimal. Sometimes Dexter Daps, sometimes it's even too much. I'd be like, whoa. This is like some real porn. Jamaican artist, the one with the cute eyes. And you was like, oh, that boy trouble. But he married. He got a whole family,
and
kids and everything.
Doing stuff with other girls?
Yeah, because it's entertainment, Ma.
Oh wow. So he don't respect his wife.
Here she go. If your husband was the artist,
I wouldn't marry an artist. My
husband better give them the show of their life, because it'll never happen in real life. It will never happen. Wow. So you have to go get the bag.
Up on the stage grinding, Jesus comes. Wow.
Now here she go. Now.
Yeah, wow.
Now here she go. Listen, I wish I could put a little clip right here. I can't even put the clip there because YouTube is going to probably take it down.
Good.
But it was so
disgusting.
No, it was nice to look at. Y'all used to be obsessed with Usher. I showed, I showed Greg last night, the concert, because I was watching it live. And my husband's eyes was like this. Greg was like, Sade boo, that girl is married. I said she's on the pole standing with handcuffs. Chris Brown had her handcuffed. Because I had to get me something to drink. I got me something to drink.
Yeah, that's like watching
I got me something to drink.
That's like
and her hands was up, and I just saw Chris Brown lick her arm. I was like, what is going on? And then he picked her up. This is all while she's handcuffed. All right, I can't talk about it too much more because Miss Little One is over here.
Because I got to charge my iPad.
I'm glad she's over here. Don't talk about that nastiness in your room.
No,
I hope you
it was nice.
Too.
It's okay. I'm not going to cut you off. That's your opinion.
Don't cut me off.
Y'all, it was nice.
And
I think I did tell you, I asked my husband to buy me a ticket to the concert. He told me no.
Good.
So, and if he did, he said I would be all the way at the top, that Usher and Chris Brown wouldn't even know I was there. They wouldn't even be able to see. see me if they've flown around in the arena.
Good, good.
But I don't think they're not coming to New York though. They're gonna be in Jersey. The one I watched yesterday, I think they were in North Carolina. But I'm telling you, besides that part, because that part is real quick. That's the only part of the show. That part is real quick. And then it's just the regular, you know, dumb is Usher going, then he going. But it was clock it. Which finger is it? Is royalty? The middle? Oh. Clock it. And I had a whole attitude before I started watching. After I watched, I was so happy. I was smiling and everything. I got out of my mood real fast. But, all right, y'all.